Game launch blocked by the NPPC64 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start fixing NPPC64 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the NPPC6410, the NVIDIA Performance Primitives NPP Core. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for hardware-accelerated memory and stream management, facilitating the CUDA data link manifest. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as NPPC64 DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the NPPC64 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for NPPC64. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for NPPC64. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for NPPC64 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.